Ta-da! Perfectly grilled.
This is going great.
Still perfect. Maybe this wasn't such a great idea. Good morning, family! Listen up.
Here we go.
This year's Independence Day will be perfect.
Perfect? Like last year?
No. Better! I have a plan. A great plan.
What's the plan, honey?
Step 1, grill burgers. Step 2, fly the flag. Step 3, fireworks. Easy.
Is he okay?
We'll see.
Fire up the grill! Let's go!
Dad! Dad, look!
What? What is it?
The burgers! They're on fire!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Is something burning?
No! Everything is fine.
Honey, the burgers are black.
They're extra crispy.
Extra burnt!
Okay, new plan. Let's put up the flag.
Be careful, honey.
I've got this. Watch and learn.
Happy 4th of July, Dad!
This is fine. This is totally fine.
Do you want a towel?
No. I want a new plan. Ready, set, light it!
Dad! The alarm!
Mike! Not inside!
It's under control! It's under control!
It doesn't look under control. Outside. Sparklers go outside.
Right, I knew that. Okay, new burgers, new spot, new plan.
Honey, maybe we should just relax.
No! I've got a new spot, right here, under this tree.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm cold, but I'm okay.
Happy 4th of July, everyone!
Okay, one more try. Third time's the charm.
The sprinkler! Dad, run!
I forgot about the sprinkler.
Maybe today just isn't a perfect kind of day.
Yeah. Maybe you're right.
Are you sad our 4th of July didn't go as planned?
A little bit, buddy.
Why?
I just wanted today to be perfect. For all of us.
It was pretty funny, though.
Yeah. It really was.
The sprinkler was the best part.
Please don't remind me.
Dad, it's okay. Nobody's mad at you.
You're not?
No way. It was the funniest 4th of July ever.
You know, when I was your age, Grandpa always said something.
What did he say?
Every 4th of July, something goes wrong.
Really? Like what?
One year, the fireworks got wet. They didn't work at all.
No fireworks?
Not one. We just sat there in the dark.
What did Grandpa do?
He laughed. He always laughed. He said, as long as we're together, it's still a great 4th of July.
I like that.
Me too.
Not burnt, I promise.
Good.
Wow, look at that one.
It's beautiful.
You know something? I don't remember the burnt burgers anymore.
No?
I remember watching fireworks with Grandpa.
And now, with us.
Happy 4th of July, family.
Happy 4th of July! 4th of July!
Good morning, everyone. Eat your breakfast. It is rice and egg today.
I like egg, Mom. Can I have more?
Of course you can, honey. Eat well.
I need to go to work now. See you tonight, family.
Be careful, honey. Come home early tonight.
Bye.
Mr. Brown, we have a big problem. Our client needs a report today. You must finish it before 9 o'clock tonight. 9 o'clock? That is very late. I want to go home for dinner with my family. I know. I am sorry, but this is very important for our company.
Mike, I was just thinking about you. Hi.
Hello, honey.
Hello, honey.
I am very busy today. I can't come home for dinner. I am so sorry.
Oh, no. The children will be sad. They want to see you, Mike.
I miss them too. Please tell them I love them. I will come home after work. Maybe 10 o'clock.
Okay, I understand. Be careful, honey. We love you.
Mom, where is Dad? His chair is empty.
Mike is working late. He loves us very much. That is why he works hard.
I miss Dad. Can I call him? Yes, let's call him after dinner. I'm almost there. Oh! Just a second.
Hey, Tom.
Dad, I can see you. Are you okay? You look tired.
I am a little tired, but I am okay. I miss you so much. Did you eat dinner?
Yes, Mom made soup. It is delicious. Dad, I did my homework today. I got a good grade.
Really? I am so proud of you. Go to sleep now. I will come home soon.
Your dad is a good man. He works hard. We must be strong for him.
Grandma, do you miss Grandpa? He is not here too.
Yes, I miss him every day. But love is always in our hearts. Our family is always together. Here.
Dad! You are home! I waited for you! Oh!
You are still awake? Come here's big hug. I am so happy to be home.
We saved dinner for you. Sit down and eat.
Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow, we will spend the whole day together.
Just our family.
And then the dragon roared, so I jumped and I said, I can't believe you did that! We should do this every night.
Okay, everyone, our gate is B12. We have 45 minutes before boarding. We are good, no stress.
Great. I will get some coffee. Does anyone want anything?
Can I have a sandwich, Dad? I didn't eat breakfast.
I want chips. The big bag.
One sandwich and one big bag of chips. Okay, I will be back in 10 minutes.
Mike, don't be long, okay? See you soon.
I won't. 10 minutes.
Changed. It is not B12 anymore. It is D7 now.
What?
Where is Dad?
Are we gonna miss our plane?
Emma, get the bags. We need to move. I need to call your father now.
Moms, how far is D7?
Very far. Come on. Mike, listen to me. The gate changed. It is D7 now, not B12. Stop the coffee. Come back, right now.
D7. That is so far. How much time do we have?
20 minutes. Maybe less.
Okay. I am coming. Don't move.
Mike, we have to move. Come to us. We are already walking.
Okay. I am coming right now.
Late. I'm so late. Almost there. Keep moving. Okay, which way? Is D7?
That way. Follow the signs.
This is so fun! Run, Dad, run!
Tom, this is not fun. Dad is not young anymore.
Can we please slow down? Everyone is looking at us. Emma, nobody is looking at us. Keep running. Good morning. Scan complete. Enjoy your flight.
We made it. We actually made it.
We did it. Never again, Mike. Never again. Good morning. Boarding passes, please. Yes, here. Sorry, we had a small problem. No problem at all. You made it. Welcome aboard.
was amazing. Can we do that every time we travel?
No, Tom. Never. Never.
My legs still hurt. You know what? Next time, Hao, we check the screen. Every 10 minutes.
And next time? I am not getting coffee.
You always say that.